Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well, guys, let's go one step ahead. As you know, you and I, we have a very good connectivity. I am available for you. You are there for me. I make videos. You watch my videos. You can contact with me. So actually, we have a two-way communication. And now we are going to go one step ahead from this two-way communication. Let's meet or let's have a closer relationship with each other, right? Let's meet on personal grounds as well. For this, what I'm going to do, you guys already have my WhatsApp number, so I want you to save my WhatsApp number in your mobile and also send me your WhatsApp number on WhatsApp in the form of contacts. Now see that you save your number and then send it to me in the form of contact, and I will save your contact number in my mobile, and this is how my status and your status will be visible. Like our WhatsApp statuses will be visible to each other, and I think this is going to be the best. Like wherever I am, whatever I do, my activities, my recording activities, updates on IELTS, I can share all these things through my WhatsApp status. So if your number is saved in my mobile, most definitely you will be able to see my status. So save my number in your mobile and send me your number as contact. Don't text me your number, I will not save it. Send me your number as contact, like your name, your country, just your full name like Asad, Yaqub, Pakistan. Save your own number in your mobile and send it as a contact on WhatsApp, and I will save that contact of yours. Then your number will be saved in my mobile, and this is how we will be able to communicate. You will be able to see my status, I will be able to see your status, and this relationship is going to be stronger than before. Again, let me tell you, do not text me your mobile number. I will not save it. You have to send me your mobile number in the contact. Like save your mobile number with your name and country and send me the contact, and I will save your number in my mobile, and this is how we will stay connected all the time. Thank you very much, guys, for your love, respect, support, motivation, and everything. I also teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you best of luck. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.